how to fix your EA FC25 cannot join online match. So let's get straight into the video. Well, there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. I'm going to be listing out all the steps you can follow to fix your problem. The first thing you want to do is check your EA server status. You want to visit ea.com/server status and check if the servers are down. If it is down, then you have no other option but to wait. You might also need to check your internet connection. You can try restarting your modem or your router. If your NAT type is strict, you might be facing this problem. You can call your ISP for help. If that is not the case, you can also go ahead and restart your game and console or PC in order to go ahead and fix your problem. If there is any pending updates regarding with your game, that definitely will cause another problem. Always make sure that you have checked your firewalls and check that nothing is blocked it. If nothing works, you want to contact their support team at help.ea.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.